Christmas basket.
Did someone say that?
Of course, ang walang kamatayang ham. Chicken ham ba to? Fiesta. Hindi naman nakalagay.
Circle.
Pure Foods Fiesta ham. Hindi nakalagay kung chicken.
Nothing.
Chicken yan.
Pre-slice.
Walang sauce chicken yan.
Talagay dito.
Wala siyang sauce. Chicken yan.
Ingredients. Pork. Ano ka ba? Water, caramel. Pork siya. Ano?
Ay, pork?
Balik natin. Tingnan mo, chicken yung in-order ko eh. Wow! It's rondelete.
That's a silly name.
Yeah. Rondelete. Hey, rondelete. Lagay mo na dun sa ano.
Ayan, yan yung
Rachel,
binigay
lagay mo
ni
sa
Yan yung binigay ni
Rondelete. Rondelete. This is made in London. Toothpaste.
That's what she gave.
Pepero.
This is my favorite.
Pepero, di ba? Pepero.
Pepperoni.
Kika.
My favorite.
Kika.
White cookies.
Oh, ito na yung sinasabi. Bigyan ko na ito.
This one.
Oh,
Bigyan natin siya.
today's fruit juice.
Pwede na natin gawin salad yun.
Ito, pwede. All-purpose creamer, angel,
This is the one.
Tulip.
I've never seen that.
luncheon meat.
At
Yung
kung
may
walang
buksan.
kamatayan.
Yung hindi ko alam paano buksan.
Ito
Walang,
yan sa gilid. May susi yan.
walang kamatayang Deli Mundo.
Ito.
But Ronald, hey Papa,
Rondelete. Hey,
what's your favorite of these?
what's this? Uy! Queso de bola ng Magnolia.
It's a cute.
Look, star. Oh, ang spam. All time.
Oh, that
This is the
Yes.
Magluto tayo ng spaghetti.
wrinkle.
Hindi natin alam kung ano alam ba ang tuwin yun.
Bye bye.
Nalagyan na ng sibuyas yan, tapos lagyan ng siko.
Ikaw gusto ha?
Hey,
G.
I found something.
Del Monte.
You like pepperos?
So,
I can.
mas malupit yung una kasi may mga pa, ano sila,
May pa-wine.
pa-wine.
I can also eat the
Ito yung pinalit sa wine. Let's open this.
I love this. Why do
You love it, you haven't tried it yet, eh? How do you love it? You love it.
No? What are you eating yourself then?
That is baby papa mo. She's playing fetch. Look. She's going to throw the dough and then she's going to reach for it. Playing fetch.
by herself?
By herself.
Just all alone?
Yeah.
I can throw her a cup. Sit.
Uy, 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 uy. Almost. Karina! Yay! We got it! It's like a dog.
Okay.
Don't do that, kuya. No, don't. Huwag mo sanay, wag. Please don't.
Good night. He gave me Kit Kat?
Papicturean mo nga muna yung nakagalang si Nathan din sa ano na yan, si Chocolate Cake.
Why was it closed?
Wait. Come here, come close.
Send natin
Hold it.
Ah.
One. Look.
I'm ready to open my gift. Yay.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Choco.